What's going on, guys? In this video we are going to take a look at constructors on Java programming. This is my previous programming. Like if you watch my previous video, we did this one. What does it do is it takes the girlfriend name from the user, the first girlfriend name, and then it display it as your first girlfriend was whatever the user input is. Okay, that was this programming. Here we are going to use constructors. Constructors basically let's say to display something. Let's put something first. Let's try this one first. Okay, you have to have two classes. Here my first class is boy and the other class is apples. Now I'm going to use boy and I'm going to create an object, apples object is equal to new apples and apples object dot saying. Okay, now saying is a method, we are calling it right here. If you look at saying here, we want it to output print out your first girlfriend was whatever the string name the user input, but here we don't even get the user input, and we are just gonna run and see what happens. Let's run and see what happens. Now this is boy. Okay, run, proceed, and you can see it says your first girlfriend was null. It's because we don't have any value for girlfriend. We don't have anything for girlfriend. That's why we use constructors. How to use constructors? It's similar to method. We have method right here. It's similar to method. Under the private I created, this is from my previous video. Under the private I'm gonna put this one, constructor. How does it how to create constructor? It's similar to the method. Now let's see how it is. Public, and you have to put the same class name, that's apples, and then here what you want, we want to get the girlfriend name. So that's a string, so we put string right here, string name, and then curly bracket starts. Inside of this one we are going to equate girl name is equal to name. Okay, now we got a value. Like how to pass this value, we have to use this bracket, the object we created. Inside of this bracket we have to type whatever the girl name we want to print. So let's say Selena Gomez. Okay, Selena Gomez, and when I go and run, if I go and run boy, it shows some error. In this line I have an error. Apples object, new apples, in the bracket Selena Gomez semicolon, and then apple object saying. I open this one, close this one. Let's see whether we have error here. We don't have any error here. Public apples, girl name, string name, girl name is equal to name. Let me double check. Public class boy, public static void. Okay, apples, okay, apples object, apples object is equal to new apples, Selena Gomez semicolon. Everything looks perfect, and apple object dot saying. Okay, okay, maybe I run this one first. Apples, proceed. Okay, now you can see it prints out as your first girlfriend was Selena Gomez. Okay, now we are going to do something more to this. Let's put another thing. Let's say I want to print another name. You can repeat this one again and again and again. So I copy this one and paste it right here, and I name this one as object 2, and here I'm gonna just put Taylor Swift. Taylor Swift. And then I had to do the same thing here as well. Here I copy paste it right here, and then the second object name is object 2. Now let's go ahead and run this one. Okay, you can see your first girlfriend was Selena Gomez, your first girlfriend was Taylor Swift. Like that you can do as many times as you want, using constructors. And that's it in this tutorial. I hope you guys find this video helpful. Thanks for watching. See you guys on my next video, and don't forget to subscribe my channel. See you guys later.